just had a really weird thought. Has anyone noticed that the bird migrations have been super weird this year? I live in the Midwest, and typically birds will start flying in fall. So like September, October, November at the latest. But for some reason, a bunch of them are flying right now. And the weirdest part about that is they are flying north. That seems counterproductive, in my opinion. I've never seen them fly north at this time of year. And this is for entertainment purposes only, and it is the wooiest of woos. But today, I saw two groups of birds finally flying south. And it kind of made me wonder, like, are they going north and doing a huge loop and coming back? That seems so weird. And it gets weirder because I obviously got curious and started Googling what's the deal with bird migration, and here's what I found. So while researching, I found this, which is a bird migration departure. And if you're from the Midwest area, you're looking at late and early September when birds start migrating to the south. Nowhere do I see January. So that piqued my interest. Then I started kind of following my gut instinct and thinking, well, birds follow magnetic fields of the earth. And so I just Googled bird migration and world polarity, and here's what I found. The bird migration is intricately linked to the Earth's magnetic field, as they utilize the magnetic field as a navigational tool for the long-distance journeys. While birds don't directly sense the North and South poles, they can detect the inclination of the Earth's magnetic field lines, which helps them determine their direction relative to the. So something I did not know is that birds are like super beings, because they can actually sense the Earth's magnetic field because they have a light sensitive protein in their eyes, which means that they can actually see magnetic fields. And they call this like a quantum effect, where the birds rely on this magnetic compass of this cryptochrome. Things that can disrupt this are geomagnetic storms, like solar flares. Not to sound like those weirdos that thought birds were robots, but sorry if you believed in that. But what's up with the birds, man? Comment, like, share this, stitch it. Someone who knows anything about the science of bird migration, please tell me this is normal. Okay, bye.